Hello lovies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do my eye skincare at home. So just keep on watching. So lovies, I actually prepared an eyes few days ago bago ko i-film to, and the reason why I did this is because diba na-mention ko sa inyo na I have sensitive skin. So most likely nakaka-feel din ako ng skin itchiness. So whenever I had that feeling, so talagang ito yung ginagawa ko para mag-subside yung pangangati ng balat ko. And also guys, sa akin kasi parang applicable yung 1 to 2 minutes as maximum na pag-a-apply ng ice sa balat. Pero if you have sensitive skin na mas sensitive pa sa akin, so I would suggest na 20 seconds lang. And what I highly advise to you as well is gumamit kayo ng ice pack if you have one, which is yung hindi direct sa skin. Pero ako kasi mas preferred ko yung direct application ng ice sa skin ko. And as you can see guys, diba circular motion yung pagdagay ko or pag-apply ko ng ice sa skin ko, kasi nakakatulong siya na mas lalong mag-circulate yung blood sa face mo, and parang namamassage na din siya at the same time. And alam nyo ba guys, na bata pa lang ako is gumagamit na ako ng ice, pero hindi ko alam na there's a lot of benefits pala na makukuha sa paggamit nito. So I did a research and I found out na this will help to minimize your skin pores. It will also tighten your skin. It will also gonna give you smoother skin. And it will also help burn fat. There's also better circulation. It will reduce dark circles, blemish control, and it will also reduces your wrinkles and lines. And ang pinaka-importante is you're gonna have natural glow, and it will make your skin looks like a lot healthier. O diba, ang daming makukuhang benefits by doing this facial icing at home, and at the same time hindi ka pa gagastos dahil libre lang ito. So I hope you like my video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell for my next vlog. Thank you so much and spread love. See you on my next vlog. Bye.